The Supreme Court has strongly criticized the culture of giving freebies ahead of elections and said it is time such policies are reviewed. A bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant said that the burden of these citizen schemes ultimately falls on taxpayers. The court questioned, the state says it will pay, but who will actually pay? It is the taxpayers' money. The observations came during the hearing of a petition filed by the Tamil Nadu Power Distribution Corporation Limited. The company had proposed giving free electricity to all consumers regardless of their ability to pay. The Chief Justice Surya Kant said, helping poor and needy people is understandable. He said, the government must support children who cannot afford education and students who cannot pay for medical studies. However, he made it clear that people who have financial capacity should not be given freebies. A bench which also included Justice Joymalia Bagchi and Vipul M. Pancholi warned that indiscriminate distribution of benefits is affecting the country's development. The case also involves a challenge to Rule 23 of Electricity Amendment Rule 2024. The rule requires strict financial discipline and states that any gap between the cost of supplying electricity and the tariff collected should not exceed 3% and must be cleared within a fixed time. The Supreme Court's remarks have once again sparked debate over free schemes and their impact on the economy.